All right, let's get started with our quadratic functions. Let's write them in vertex form from a graph. Remember, our vertex form is f of x equals ax minus h squared plus k. Remember that our vertex in our vertex form is the opposite of h, k. And remember, maximum and minimum. If A is positive, then it opens up and we have a minimum. If it is negative, it opens down and we have a maximum. We got this graph and we need to write it in vertex form. So some steps here for you. Identify the vertex. So here's our vertex and it is at point. If you look at it, it's at 4, -3. That's our vertex. And step 2 is identify if our parabola, remember this shape is a parabola, opens up and A is going to be positive, or if it opens down and A is going to be negative. This one, it opens down, so our A is going to be negative. Final step, plug it into our vertex form. F of x. So A, we said, was going to be negative, so negative. And then open my parentheses for x. Remember that the inside lies, so we're going to change that x value from +4 to -4. Remember that whenever I'm putting that number into my parentheses, that I'm doing the opposite of what the actual vertex x value is. Squared, don't forget your squared. If you forget your squared, this is not accurate. And then plus k, which remember the outside tells the truth, so we're going to leave it exactly like it is. Here it is -3, so it's -3. So here's our vertex form of this graph. F of x equals -x minus 4 squared minus 3. Let's do another one. Identify our vertex right there. It's at 3, 4. Does this graph open up or down? It opens up, so A is going to be positive. F of x, A is positive, so I'm not going to put anything right here. You should have noticed from some of your examples the other day, sometimes A is an actual number, but when we're writing from the graph, we're not going to worry about if there's an actual number or not. Okay, so we're just going to have x. Remember, opposite of the x value. So it's +3, so we're going to change it to -3. And look what I forgot. I forgot my squared. Don't forget your squared, guys. Let me do it in purple so it's the same. Can't believe I forgot my squared. So x minus 3 squared plus 4. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions.